Hello, class. My name is Pauline Gregory, and the topic of my informative speech is in regards to the coronavirus and the global health issues that we're facing today. The coronavirus is now a global health issue, which you know has caused a whole lot of chaos where the real place or part of the world that it originated from has become a thing of guesswork if it came from humans or animals, or if it's just a whole lot going on. But in other words, the coronavirus is now a global health issue. The virus is zoonotic. It originated from animals, as far as we know today, and can infect birds and mammals, including human beings. The outbreak was initially popular among those who walked or interacted with human seafood, as was reported earlier. The coronavirus, Ebola, and swine flu are infections originated from animals, according to the China's National Health Commission. The disease can be transmitted between humans, and this can be seen as countries around the world that has gone to get everywhere locked down. By February 7th, 2020, the disease had killed 636 people in China already, with a 2% mortality rate, and by April, over 1 million people had contracted the disease. So, it's it's mind blowing. I mean, with over 100,000 dead through direct human contact, it means that the disease can be transmitted through the physical transfer of organisms, through body contact and body secretions. Through indirect contact, the disease spreads when an infected person coughs or sneezes, spreading the coronavirus in the surrounding surfaces, through which the disease can further be transmitted. The common signs and symptoms of the disease include respiratory complications, severe fever, and persistent coughing during the initial stages. At at advantage of at the advantage stages of the disease, the patient shows signs of pneumonia, extreme acute respiratory syndrome, kidney failures, and death. According to CDC, the symptoms start to show off 14 days after infection. The disease is viral in nature, and it occurs mostly during winter and spring. Besides, it is quite uncommon for a person to suffer from cold caused by coronavirus and contract the disease before 4 months are over. This is because the antibodies produced by the body in response to the virus do not last for a long time. And the antibodies for one form of coronavirus cannot fight another coronavirus antigens. So the following stages have been put in place to control the rapid spread of coronavirus in different parts of the world. In the US, the CDC's advocate for triggering, ensuring early recognitions, and isolating the victims of this disease to prevent further spread. Besides, additional empiric precautions have been implemented to control the disease. Hereby, the suspected airborne disease are early identified and scrutinized to ensure if the latter is coronavirus or not. So this is, really a little breakdown of, what we're facing today. You know, the self isolation, people staying indoors, people not being able to go to work because of this particular disease, the fear of people, trying to self quarantine in case they might have it. The ironic part of the whole thing is a lot of people do not show symptoms on time and might be, living amongst people that are not ill. And the other part that it's really mind blowing is the why it's been, you know the weaker humans, which are the elderly people, are the ones this is affecting, quicker than the younger ones. And it's scary as it is, but we, hope the CDC and the World Health Organization and the rest of the other entities that are involved in eradicating this stuff, gets the vaccine, or to help this to stop quicker. With this spread all over the world, it's something that has put a whole lot of fear in the whole world. So this is just a little input of my understanding on what we're facing today because of the COVID-19. And hopefully it all passes and it becomes a thing of, of history that would never return again, so that we can all go back to our normal lives. Thank you.